Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to help the channel grow and keep up to date with the latest videos. Hi and welcome to another video by me, FlowJo. Today we're going to be looking at the Power Automate desktop actions, and we're going to be looking at how we convert a custom object to JSON. So before we begin, let's just have a quick recap on what a custom object is. If you do not know and you want more details, I have another video on my YouTube channel that goes more in depth into this. But essentially, it's a key value pair. So this is what a custom object could look like. We could have an employee ID of 1234, and then we could have a name of FlowJo. Okay, so let's say we've got this custom object and we want to convert it to JSON. How do we do that? We'll use the convert custom object to JSON action. So how we do this then is we essentially select the variable in the custom object section. Once you press that drop down, you'll be able to see your custom object in there. You could select it and then you just change the variable produced name to set the JSON output name. Then you'll have a JSON variable created and you can use the JSON as you wish to. So let's see this in action on Power Automate Desktop. Okay, so we're on Power Automate Desktop, and the first thing I'm going to do then is create a custom object. So I'm going to use the set variable action. I'm going to change this name to custom object example, and then I'm going to just paste in an example one here. But what I'll do is I'll go through this just to explain what we have. So we've got employee ID of 12345, name of FlowJo, just like we've seen. But additionally, we've got city of Vancouver, country of Canada, and salary of 5,000. So if I press save and run this, on the variables on the right hand side then, we should have a custom object here. And as you can see, we've got the employee ID of 12345, name FlowJo, city Vancouver, country of Canada, and salary of 5,000. So let's then convert this into JSON. So as you can see on the left hand side, we've got the convert custom object to JSON. If we just drag that in, and then it's automatically selected our custom object because it's the only one we have. But if you had additional ones, you could just use the drop down menu here and select the one that you wish to use. So I've selected our custom object example that we've just created, and then a variable is going to be produced called custom object as JSON. So if I just press save now and run this, what I'll do is I'll put a breakpoint there and we'll run the first step. So we've created our custom object, we've got our object now. Then if I do run next action, we're expecting the custom object as JSON to be produced. Now if I open up this, we now have the JSON output of the custom object. And that is how you can convert custom objects into JSON on Power Automate Desktop. Thanks for watching another video by me, FlowJo. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button or select a video on your screen right now to continue learning more about the Power Platform.